All right, a progress update. Got the center wing glued in now. You can see it's nice and flush here. And nice and flush over on this side. And then this part that'll be sticking out of the fuse has been sheeted on this side. I still have to sheet the other side here. And I've got one stringer in. Not sure why the instructions say to put the stringer in right now, but anyways, just following along. Also got the stiffeners, the fuse stiffeners put in. So that's these balsa stringers that go like this. And there's one right here. Got those in. The bearing blocks, the big hardwood bearing blocks for the landing gear is here. And then this here is a tensioner spring that puts tension on this centerpiece so that as the gear spreads, it'll compress that spring. Kind of cool. I like this design. So as force is put this way, a lot is transferred back to here, and so this is really spread out nicely. This hardwood piece is actually supposed to be turned so that this is captive in here, but that means you can no longer remove the landing gear. So I flipped it around and then just put these little metal brackets on to hold it. The force, if there's pressure this way on your landing gear when you're trying to land, that means the force is going to go down this way. It's going to try to drive this piece further into the slot. So I wasn't worried about turning this around. I think it's actually, if anything, a little bit better. And then there are these plates that hold the main landing gear onto this block, and they're also going to act as brackets for the flying wires. So that's where we're at. Next step now is to start filling in this landing gear. So I cut this plate, and then there's a bunch of sticks that go on and then reinforced, and eventually there's a full fiberglass setup that goes around this, but that's going to basically build out these two pieces of landing gear and basically become one. So that'll be the next couple days.